What is it about a Rolex? In a world of smart gadgets, a Rolex is defiantly mechanical. It just tells the time, yet people spend fortunes and wait years for one. Why? Because a Rolex isn't just a watch, it's a symbol. That little crown logo instantly signals success, achievement, and a commitment to quality. It's a quiet nod to engineering excellence, a personal statement that transcends trends. Universally recognized, it communicates reliability and endurance wherever you go. A Rolex is built to last, designed to outlive you, and meant to be passed down through generations. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in legacy. The hype isn't about the watch alone, but everything it represents: innovation, status, and timeless design. In a digital age, a Rolex stands out as a mechanical marvel. That's what makes it so compelling. It's more than a watch, it's a story on your wrist. To understand Rolex, you have to start with Hans Wilsdorf. In the early 1900s, wristwatches were seen as fragile and inaccurate, nothing like the sturdy pocket watches of the day. Wilsdorf believed the future was on the wrist, but he needed to make wristwatches reliable. He founded Rolex in 1905, obsessed with precision. Working with Swiss watchmakers, he created small, accurate movements. To prove their quality, he submitted Rolex watches to official rating centers. In 1910, a Rolex became the first wristwatch to earn the Swiss Certificate of Chronometric Precision. 4 years later, it received the prestigious Class A certificate from the Kew Observatory. Wilsdorf had done it. He proved a wristwatch could be as precise as any pocket watch. This set the foundation for the Rolex legend. Precision became the brand's DNA. After conquering precision, Wilsdorf tackled the elements: dust and water. In 1926, he invented the Rolex Oyster, the world's first waterproof wristwatch. Its screw-down case sealed out the elements, transforming the wristwatch into a robust tool. But Wilsdorf needed proof. In 1927, swimmer Mercedes Gleitze wore a Rolex Oyster during her English Channel swim. After over 10 hours in freezing water, the watch emerged in perfect working order. Wilsdorf took out a front-page ad to celebrate the feat. The story became a sensation, cementing Rolex's reputation for endurance and adventure. The Oyster wasn't just waterproof, it was a symbol of pioneering spirit. Rolex became the watch for those who dared. Why are modern Rolex watches so expensive? It's all about how they're made. Rolex controls every aspect of production, making nearly everything in-house. They have their own foundries for gold, labs for materials, and even developed their own super-tough Oyster steel. Every component is crafted to exacting standards. Each watch is assembled by hand, with movements composed of hundreds of tiny hand-finished parts. Every watch is tested twice, by KOSK and then by Rolex's own stricter standards. Quality checks are relentless accuracy, water resistance, durability, and flawless finish. Even the bracelet clasps are tested thousands of times. Making a single Rolex takes about a year. This isn't mass production, it's a pursuit of perfection. That's the Rolex difference. The final piece of the Rolex puzzle is scarcity and status. Rolex could make more watches, but they choose not to. By limiting production, they keep demand and desire sky high. This creates waiting lists and turns buying a Rolex into an event. Scarcity makes owning one feel exclusive, almost like joining a club. Many models hold or even increase in value, making them smart investments. Over the years, Rolex has been worn by pioneers, leaders, and icons, from Everest to the ocean's depths. Its reputation for reliability makes it the natural choice for those at the top. In the end, a Rolex is more than a watch. It's a piece of history, a marvel of engineering, and a global symbol of achievement. The hype is real because the substance is real. Owning a Rolex means owning a story of human achievement and enduring style, and that's something no smartwatch can offer.